ISFORMULA function checks whether a reference is to a cell containing a formula and returns true or false. This function has only one argument. In reference argument, select the cell reference that you want to test. You can select a cell reference, a formula or name that refers to a cell. Select this cell reference, click OK. Function returns false in this cell because this cell contains number. This number is not a formula result. Active this cell. Click More Functions arrow button. Click ISFORMULA function. In reference box, select this cell reference. Click OK. Function returns logical value true in this cell because this cell contains a formula. As a result, function returns logical value true in this cell. Paste the formula in other cells. Press mouse and drag to this cell. Active this cell. Function returns logical value true in this cell because this cell contains a time formula. As a result, function returns logical value true in this cell. Active this cell. Function returns true in this cell because this cell contains a formula. That formula subtracts two numbers. As a result, function returns true in this cell. So ISFORMULA function returns true if cell contains a formula, and it returns false if cell contains a number or text.